Okay, hi everyone. Assalamualaikum. Kita sambung soalan terakhir, soalan 5, revision week 17. Okay, parametric equation. Okay, there are parametric differentiation. So now we have x equals to t plus 1 over 2t. So we are going to find dx dt. Okay, kat sini 1 over 2t. Okay, we are going to bring up t. Okay, please be careful. Still remain 1 over 2 t to the power of negative 1. Okay, then we find dx over dt. Differentiate t, we get 1. Negative, we bring to the front. Negative 1 over 2 t to the power of negative 2. Okay, lepas ni kita nak apply chain rule. Kita lebih baik jadikan ini sebagai fraction. So we have 1 minus 1 over 2t square. Okay, kalau cikgu samakan bawah, cikgu akan dapat 2t square minus 1 over 2t square. Okay, done for the x equation. Okay, kita tengok y pula. Y equals to t minus 1 over 2t. So, di sini masih kita akan dapat bentuk yang sama. Cuma, pembezanya adalah tambah dan tolak. Okay, kaedahnya sama. Remain 2. At the denominator, we bring up t only. So, dy over dt equals to 1 minus, will be plus 1 over 2 t to the power of negative 2. 1 plus 1 over 2t square. Equate the denominator. 2t square minus 1 over 2t square. Okay, to find dy dx, we are going to apply the chain rule. Dy over dx equals to dy over dt multiply by dt over dx. Dy over dt is 2t square minus 1 over 2t square multiply with dt over dx. Okay, jangan tertukar, ini adalah dx, yang ini adalah over dx. So, kita akan dapat 2t square over 2t square minus 1. And then cancel out the 2t square. So, we get 2t square minus 1. Sorry, this one is plus. This one. Dy over dt is plus 1. Okay, baru betul. So, over 2t square minus 1. So, we done for question A. Show that. Shown. Okay, question B. Evaluate the value dy dx at the point 3 to negative 1 over 2. So, dy over dx when x equals to 3 over 2 and y equals to negative 1 over 2. Okay. Diberi point. So, maksudnya ini adalah nilai di x dan y. Tapi, kita punya dy dx in terms of t. So, we need to find what is the value of t when x is 3 over 2, y equals to negative 1 over 2. So, we can choose one of the equation. Let's say I choose x equals to t plus 1 over 2t. T equals to it's not t. x equals to t plus 1 over 2t. Ini cikgu samakan bawah. 2t square plus 1 over 2t equals to 3 over 2. Okay, and then cikgu bring to the left 2t, cikgu akan dapat 3t equals to 2t square plus 1. Rearrange 2t square minus 3t plus 1 equals to 0. So we use calculator to evaluate the value t. Two t minus 1, t minus 1 equals to 0. So we have t equals to 1 over 2 and 1. Okay, now we look at the question. Given your t must be between 0 and 1 only. So we are going to choose our t equals to 1 over 2. So we are going to substitute into the expression dy dx. So we have dy over dx equals to 2t square plus 1 over 2t square minus 1. Dy dx when t equals to 1 over 2. Substitute into the equation. And we get negative 3. Okay, next we are going to find second derivative. Okay, for parametric, we are going to write down the formula first. Question C. D square y dx square for parametric is d dx. Dy over dx multiply with dx over dt. Sorry, dt over dx. Okay, first we are going to find d dx. d dx dy over dx. d dx 2t square plus 1 over 2t square minus 1. Okay, here we are going to use quotient rule, where our u equals to 2t square plus 1, u prime equals to 4t, v equals to 2t square minus 1, v prime equals to 4t. Apply the rule of quotient. So we have v u prime. V is 2t square minus 1 multiplied by 4t minus 4t 2t square plus 1 divided by 2t square minus 1 square. And then take out 4t. So we have 2t square minus 1 minus 2t square minus 1 over 2t square minus 1 square. Simplify, we get cancel out this one. So we have minus 1 will be minus 2. Multiply with 40. We get negative 8t over 2t square minus 1 square. Okay, please do remember, ini baru sebahagian daripada formula. Ini baru differentiate dy dx. Okay, kita apply the chain rule. D square y dx square equals to dy dx is negative 8t over 2t square minus 1 square. And then we are going to multiply dt over dx. dt over dx is this one. 2t square over 2t square minus 1. So 2t square over 2t square minus 1. Multiply, we get negative 16t cubed over 2t square minus 1 cubed. So we have d2y dx square in terms of t. Okay, second part for question C, show that d square y dx square plus 2 over y cubed equals to 0. Okay, we want to show that d square y dx square plus 2 over y cubed equals to 0. So we are going to substitute negative 16t square over 2t square minus 1 cubed plus 2 over y cubed. So we have our y. Y is t minus 1 over 2t cubed. So we are going to simplify the y. Negative 16t square over 2t square minus 1 cubed plus 2 over 2t square minus 1 over 2t cubed. Okay, simplify. The first one, we have negative 16t square over 2t square minus 1 cubed plus 2. This one, cikgu bring up. Okay, cikgu jadi darab. So, kuasa 3 remain. So, 2t over 2t square minus 1. Okay, kuasa 3 cikgu boleh jadikan cube for the numerator, cube for the denominator. So, cikgu akan dapat negative 16t square over 2t square minus 1 cube. Yang ini 2 kuasa 3. Okay, make sure yang ini 2 kuasa 3, 8. 8 darab 2 adalah 16. Plus 16t square over 2t square minus 1 cube. And then get 0. So, shown. Okay, that's all for revision week 17. All the best for PSPM. Aim for FLAC and A Maths. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Assalamualaikum.